Hello friends, I am Kanchan and my seminar topic is research design in subject research methodology. Meaning of research design. A research design is the arrangement of conditions for collection and analysis of data in a manner that aims to combine relevance to the research purpose with economy in procedure. Research design have following parts: sampling design, observational design, statistical design and operational design. Sampling design, which deals with the methods of selecting items to be observed for the study, and observational design, which relates to the condition under which observations are to be made. Statistical design, which concern the question of how the information and data gathered are to be analyzed, and then operational design, which deals with technique by which the procedure satisfied be carried out. Features of good research design. A research design appropriate for a particular research problem usually involves the consideration of the following factors: the meaning of obtaining information, the availability of skill of the researcher and his staff, if any, the objective of the problems to be studied, the nature of the problem to be studied, and availability of the time and money for the research work. Now we will see the important concept relating to the research design. A concept which can take on different quantitative values is called as variable. A phenomenon which can take on different qualitative value even in decimal value are called continuous. Dependent and independent variable. If one variable is dependent on another variable is termed as dependent variable. The variable is antecedent to the dependent variable is an independent variable. Example, height is dependent on age. Extraneous variable that are not related to the purpose of the study but may affect on the dependent variables termed as extraneous variables. Example of this: suppose a teacher want to test the hypothesis that there is a relationship between children gains in social studies achievement and their self concept. In the case, self concept is independent variable and social study achievement is dependent variable. Intelligence may as well affect on the social achievement, but it is not related to the study undertaken by the researcher, so it is extraneous variable. Control. The important characteristic of good research is to minimize the influence or effect of extraneous variables. The technique term control is used when a design the study minimize the effect of extraneous independent variable. Research hypothesis. When a prediction or hypothesized relationship is to be tested by scientific method, it is termed as research hypothesis. Research hypothesis is predictive statement that relate on independent variable to be dependent variable. Experimental and non-experimental hypothesis testing. Research in which the independent variable is manipulated and termed as experimental hypothesis testing research. Research in which the independent variable is not manipulated is termed as non-experimental hypothesis testing research. Experimental and control groups. When a group is exposed to usual condition, it is termed as control group. But when the group is exposed to be some special condition, it is termed as experimental group. Now we will see the treatment. The treatment is different condition under which the experimental and control groups are put up, usually referred as treatment. Experiment. The experiment is the process of examining truth of statistical hypothesis relating to the some research problem is known as experiment. Example, we can conduct an experiment to examine the usefulness of certain newly developed drug. Different research design. In case of exploratory research study, in case of descriptive and diagnostic research, in case of hypothesis testing research studies. Exploratory research design conducted for gaining better insight into a problem, evaluate the feasibility of research project, formulation of a statement, provide theoretical basis to a hypothesis, and provide alternative approaches to a problem, establish possibility for further research. When used, researchers has only a vague idea about the problems during the study, helps in saving time and money. The survey of concerning literature. This is most simple and fruitful method of formulating the research problem. Hypothesis is taken for earlier works and their usefulness is evaluated as a basis for further research. Review available material for deriving the relevant hypothesis from it. The experience survey. The experience survey means the survey of people who had practical experience. The object is to obtain new idea relating to the research problem. A systematic interviewing format with flexibility is adopted. An expert could provide source of hypothesis, modus operandi of conducting research, source of information, possible problem in the study. Now we see the case studies. It is also called as insight stimulating example. Study of all cases which are prevalent to the area of study. Relatively unformulated problems. It is also fruitful method of suggesting the hypothesis, examining existing record, unstructured interviewing, etc. Descriptive and diagnostic research. Descriptive research studies are those studies which are concerned with describing the characteristic of particular individual or group. In diagnostic research study, determining the frequency with which something occur or in associated with something else. Descriptive and diagnostic research is formulating the objective of the study, designing the method of data collection, selecting sample size, collecting the data, where the and times, the processing and analysis the data, reporting and finding. It is clear definition of problem, method of data collection, preparation of instruments, sampling design, data collection and analysis technique. Hypothesis testing research studies. Hypothesis testing research studies, known as experimental studies, are those researchers test the hypothesis of causal relationship between variables. Cause and effect relationship between variable under study. Researchers attempt to maintain control and manipulate the variable that affect the study. Steps in experimental research: identification and definition of the problem, formulation of hypothesis, developing experimental design, selecting the sample subject group or pair subject, identify and control non experimental factors, construct, validate, and instrument to measure, determine place and time duration of experiment, conduct the experiment, analysis the data, and test the hypothesis, report the finding. Thank you.